Hey Ethan, okay, so I downloaded all your stuff. Here's weight.h, weight.cpp. I was just looking at these functions to see what's going on, but I think I know what your issue is there. And then here's main. So if I go ahead and compile, now I'm getting an error on this one, and I didn't stop to look at why. I'm gonna guess it's because you need to have the oh boy, the instance in front of this. Like, is it right? You need to have the class in front of this because I think this you made this a class function, so it would have to be like w1 dot or new weight dot, not sending it in this way. But anyway, I'm not going to fix this one just yet. I want to address the two questions you had for me. So I'm going to comment that out for now. And if I run it again, I'm getting the issue you had must take exactly one argument. So because this is a friend function, you want to get rid of this notation. So it's looking at a different function when you do that, when you put weight colon colon inside of it. It's just getting confused. So if I get rid of that and that, right, because they're friend functions, you don't need that, you don't need the where in front of it. Now if I run it, now the issue becomes you're doing input into the right hand side. When you do input into the right hand side, this has to be right dot pounds. Let me just see if it'll let me do this. Right dot pounds, because set pounds is a function. This is a function, right? And right dot ounces. Okay, let's try that. Oh, and look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Please first enter the object's weight in pounds. 10 pounds, 3 ounces. Second object, 20 pounds, 6 ounces. Third, what if, I think this is where you have to make sure that fix function is working. You know, if we go over 16 here, so we'll go under 16. Okay, you might want to fix that up a little. But the issues you had, so I just want to go over it again. You don't need to put weight colon colon in front of these function names. And the reason is because these are friend functions. Make a little note for yourself here. Friend function means it has direct access to private members, but it is not a class function, right? So it's not actually a class function the way we've been doing the other ones. So friend functions are a little different. So get rid of that. And then your other problem here is your set is a function. You don't need that. You have direct access now to pounds and ounces for the right hand side. So you can say right dot pounds, right dot ounces, and it just treats it like a regular variable. Imagine that this variable is just P for pounds. You know, it would just be like saying CN2P. You can do that now because you have direct access to each of the private members. Okay, so I hope that helps. Take a look at your fix function because I have a feeling, let me see, where did it go? This guy, fix my weight. I don't think it needs to accept the broken weight, right? What it needs is to, let's see where you did that one. Yeah, that's it. That's it, because you have direct access to these. It doesn't need this to come in. You don't need to say broken dot ounces. You can just do this. And when you call the function, right, when you call it, you tell it, which one am I fixing? So the call would be new weight dot, and then don't send it in this way. And it knows it's new weight because when it gets into the function, it's using ounces from new weight, it's using pounds from new weight because that's who called this function. Okay, so I hope that helps. I was a little bit out of order on my explanations, but take a look and let me know.